Hey guys, Spud here. I've been waiting a long time for this. It's literally been a long time coming and I'm so excited to bring this to you. So I want to go ahead and open this and I wanted to create this video as like a memory and keepsake type thing because I'm just so excited. I've always, and if you've seen in one of my older videos, I made one where I was cutting open rocks for the first time with like my stepdad's tile saw or wet saw or whatever, and it just was not the best. So if you haven't guessed already, oh boy, this box is big. Let me go ahead and move this. If you haven't guessed already, guys, what do you think it is? So many things around. Well, here's the manual. Got a box here. Oh boy, am I gonna be able to lift this out of here? Oh, well, as you can see, that kind of gives it away right there. There you go. It finally happened. I'm gonna be able to cut open all the geodes that Spud finds, where he just finds them all over the place, or they find him. And I can use all this for firewood. Okay, let's see. Oh man, I'm so excited. Do I have any room? I don't have any room. Oh, that's not good. All right, so it looks like it's kind of, how do I pick this out? So it's attached. Let me see, maybe I'm gonna have to put this on the ground to do it. Maybe I can lift it out. Oh gosh. Don't wanna drop this bad boy. Come on, get out of here, guy. Get out. All right. Oh yes. Oh my goodness. I've been waiting so long for this, guys, like for real. Because now I'm gonna feel a lot more comfortable cutting, you know, my rocks open, and when I just randomly find rocks and I'm like, is this anything? I have no idea. So, because most of the time when you look at the outer shell or outer layer of a rock, it's like something amazing on the inside, but the outside just kind of looks plain and you would have no idea. So with this, I am hoping to cut open everything. I mean, that's literally my goal. You know, making videos of just cutting open random rocks, because I don't know if anybody else does that. I just feel like I'm that type of person. I was like, I have to know what's on the inside, because you never know. You might find something great, you know, and every rock has a story. And finding the rock is a story in itself. So I'm super excited for this. I'm not sure if I have to buy a blade. I would assume, oh, maybe it's actually this. Yep, it did come with the blade, I forgot. So yeah, wow. Drain plug, washers, brass bar, screw. Okay, so that's how I take this off, I think, and then, yeah, put the, yep. Oh man, guys, are you excited? Because if you are, I would go ahead and definitely subscribe to Spud Finds a Geode. And be ready, because I am ready. I have so many things to cut open. I am so excited. I have so many other videos to make. Let's get it, people. Let's get it. Let's go. So for all you tech gurus, if you want to see it up close, this is what it is. Came with the two blades, the 10-inch, and this one's serrated. So I'm not sure if I will use that one. Probably just stick with this one. But yeah, and then obviously it came with these two, well, not obviously, I didn't see them almost, washers that were taped to the box, so don't forget those. But yeah, guys, this is what it is. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna be flipping this bad boy right here, and we're gonna be getting to work. Cannot wait. So thanks guys for watching. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe for more videos. I can't wait. I'm so super excited, and I just can't hide it.